Researching before your shadow is important. It can help prepare your expectations and get to know the company and your potential future career a bit more. When researching, keep in mind what you value and what you want the most, and start there. Maybe you want a company with a small number of employees, or you value a job that continuously challenges you. Find out if the company and role of the job matches your values. Remove the stress and plan it out before the big day. Take a look at your closet, come up with a few ideas of what you might wear, and set them aside. Keep in mind that you should dress professionally, so please, before you decide on an outfit, think about how an employer may perceive you. Additionally, check your job shadow's dress code, as some of them may require specific things like no open-toe shoes, or for you to wear clothing that allows for movement. Now on to how you'll get there. Before setting off, look up the address of your shadow and map out how you'll get there. Are you driving yourself? Is somebody else taking you? Are you allowing time for traffic, unexpected delays, or finding a parking space? It's always a good rule of thumb to arrive 15 minutes earlier than you're supposed to. And before you head out that door, have in hand an updated resume to leave with the employer. A great way to stay connected with an employer is to send them an email the day before you shadow. Let them know how excited you are and thank them for the opportunity. Remember, they set time aside in their schedule so you can learn what the job entails. And after the shadow, send them another thank you. It's important to be appreciative. Remember when you were researching earlier? Well, take what you learned and come up with some questions for the employer. It's one of the best ways to gain insight on what might end up being your career field. Keep your values, wants, and goals in mind when coming up with questions. Lastly, connect with your employer further by finding them on LinkedIn. It's a great way to grow your network and find more connections. You never know when or where you might meet your future boss.